Let's get ready to train our first CNN. So what do we need? Where are we up to in the workflow? Well, we've built a model and we've stepped through it. We know what's going on, but let's really see what's going on by training this CNN, or see if it trains, because we don't always know if it will, on our own data set, which is of fashion MNIST. So we're going to set up a loss function and optimizer for model 2, just as we've done before. For model 2, turn that into Markdown. I'll just show you the workflow again. So this is what we're doing. We've got some inputs, we've got a numerical encoding, we've built this architecture, and hopefully it helps us learn, or it helps us make a predictive model that we can input images such as grayscale images of clothing and predict. And if we look where we are at the PyTorch workflow, we've got our data ready. We've built our next model. Now here's where we're up to. Picking a loss function and an optimizer. So let's do that, hey? Loss function, or we can do evaluation metrics as well. So set up loss function / eval metrics / optimizer, and we want from helper functions import accuracy function. We don't need to re-import it, but we're going to do it anyway for completeness. Loss function equals nn.cross entropy loss, because we are working with a multi-class classification problem. And the optimizer, we're going to keep the same as what we've used before, torch.optim SGD, and we'll pass it in this time. The params that we're trying to optimize are the parameters of model 2 parameters, and we'll use a learning rate of 0.1. Run that, and just to reiterate, here's what we're trying to optimize. Model 2 state dict. We have a lot of random weights in model 2. Have a look at all this. There's the bias, there's the weight. We're going to try and optimize these to help us predict on our fashion MNIST dataset. So, without any further ado, let's in the next video, go to the workflow. We're going to build our training loop, but thanks to us before, we've now got functions to do this for us. So if you want to give this a go, use our train step and test step function to train model 2. Try that out, and we'll do it together in the next video.